Good afternoon. It's my pleasure and proud privilege to join this prestigious conference. And respected Madam Bhartika Sukla, I can see Tommy Kers, my other friends from Chemtech, Hemant, Piranjan, Mitra, and all other participants. So, Madam, your address, your live knowledge on the subject was really thought-provoking and very encouraging for all of us. And you basically you talked about one thing, that an integrated energy company, which in Oil India Limited we are also looking for. So thank you for mentioning that. Thank you, Madam, for leading this forum. So I'm also seeing some good keynote speakers lined up for today's session. Though I'm missing the fun of meeting in a physical meeting. In fact, we were talking about the last conference we had with Chemtech in Mumbai. It was probably the last physical conference we had, and that was quite good, quite interesting. So, in spite of that, missing everything, but I hope this virtual session will be interesting and very result oriented. So, if I go by today's session subject, the Madam has very clearly explained the subject. But what makes me wonder that what is the need of today's idea of becoming India manufacturing hub? So to start with, as you all appreciate, that last year was really horrible for all of us, be it industry, be it business, be it common people, everybody. So every single entity was in trouble. The COVID-19 pandemic has in fact revealed the inherent weakness in the existing global supply chain and the over-reliance on countries like China. So with that, that is accompanied by not just business disruption of monstrous proportions all across the globe, but a whole lot of political turmoil as well. So many countries, you can see countries like Japan, Australia, USA, South Korea, all are evaluating alternatives to reduce their trade dependence on China. And many global conglomerates are working overtime to try and take their manufacturing facilities outside of that country. So some countries like Japan and United States, they have announced their decision to onshore. And at the right time, our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji in June 20, during interaction with ministers, then asked them to put the economy growth in a different trajectory. The mantra for vocal for local, and then the idea was to promote local brands and goods. That all came in the right time. So more recently, the clamor has become more louder to make India global manufacturing hub, especially considering the neighboring country situation. So this Atmanirbhar Bharat, or the self-reliant India movement, launched by Honorable Prime Minister, is aimed at merging the global with local, generating manufacturing investment, and becoming new global nerve center for multinational supply chains in post-COVID world. The pandemic presents new opportunities for India and to rethink its national industrial strategy, especially I think policies concerning the growth of its manufacturing sector. And with all these initiatives, there are opportunities that appear to be emerging. So our major strength, if I can see it in a different way, our major strength is our huge population. So for me, population, somebody say it is liability, but I feel it's rather than liability, it's an asset. For multinational companies want to relocate their manufacturing operations to India, as India is home for about 1.25 million people who basically are the customers for them. So people have started to become affluent in recent years, and there is an increasing demand for several products sold by the foreign companies. So for multinationals, the most cost-effective way to do so is to start manufacturing in India. So that is exactly matching with what government is taking initiative. So further to this, world today sees India is the most politically secure nation in the vicinity, and the government of India is promoting business in its source. That is one of the major advantages we are having under the leadership of the present Prime Minister. So with that, various initiatives have come up by the government of India. Make in India program has started, and to make India a global manufacturing hub. Then zero defect, zero effect for MSMEs to deliver top quality products. Then Skill India, a multi-skill development program, which mission for job creation. Then labor reforms through a dedicated Shram Suvidha portal, random inspection of schemes all over, and defense procurement policy also, that is one policy. Then Madam has rightly pointed out about ZAM, the digital platform that India has initiated. And there are some many forums like Technology Acquisition and Development Fund under the National Manufacturing Policy. All these policies are coming up, and at the same time, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana for providing loans for small scale development. Everything is combined together. The country is having now more and more opportunities for growth, more and more opportunities for indigenization, more and more opportunities for local manufacturers to come up. So this way, the everything is lined up in the same time. And so as a E&P industry, I'm from a E&P industry, upstream production company. So in our case, almost all major equipment are from outside. If you can see that our products are mostly manufactured in US and other countries. So some time back, it was taken over by China to some extent, but almost everything is coming up from outside. But with initially we had some problem, but the things are now changing, and we are now getting many products in India. It has become essential that products are created in India for us, because there are so many restrictions in buying, so many restrictions in policies, and now things are going in a better way. The hard work put by government has started to show results, slowly, but not too fast, but slowly it's showing results. And Madam has also already pointed out about PPLC policy, and all these are actually helping for the growth, of the growth in terms of indigenization, in terms of local manufacturing. So at the same time, many things are to be done in parallel. In basically, one most important thing is that a conducive business climate with better infrastructure and logistic, simplified land and labor laws, and single window clearance, which can help develop a robust manufacturing ecosystem, because everything should be combined together. Then only can everything can come up at the same time. One of the components of Make in India program, which will play a vital role in helping India leapfrog into the global manufacturing destination, is the development of industrial corridors along the length and breadth of India. These industrial corridors are being planned to provide world-class infrastructure, such as high-speed rail and road transportation network, ports with state-of-the-art cargo handling equipment, modern airports, special economic regions, industrial areas, complementary infrastructures such as townships and some smart cities are also growing up. All these combined together, this will be in the these corridors. And on the if you look at the operational side, it's to our advantage that India has a plethora of skilled laborers and enhanced minds, which serve as a platform for attracting foreign industries. India offers a very large pool of English-speaking people. That is one advantage for many manufacturing groups from outside. We have a large group of semi-skilled and skilled laborers at a comparatively lower cost. A very large and growing domestic market, reduced corporate and other regulatory compliances, concessional direct tax rates, and very attractive tax incentive for companies making new investment in India. And in certain identified sectors, comprehensive indirect tax levied to the manufacturers, sale and consumption of GST, and robust contract enforcement mechanism, all are coming together. This will help attract foreign capital, and also help to come up with latest technology. Then at the same time, it will create jobs for the people, boost our exports. So this is a total plan for ultimately for the growth of the people. we must also focus on skill and the scale to be both quality and cost competitive and serve a global customer base. So huge scope exists in sectors such as pharma, electronic, automobile, defense, machine, everywhere, not only to be self-reliant, but also capture a decent slice of global supply chain. But many things are yet to be yet to get full coverage, and definitely it will take some time. And this is evident that with all these efforts put together, it is not far away that India not only become a self-reliant and Atmanirbhar Bharat, but also a global manufacturing hub, defeating the present players. So things are evolving, things are improving. And with this positive note, I conclude, and I wish all the participants, all the organizers, and to very warm welcome. And I hope there will be lots of participation during the people will be participating actively during the subsequent sessions. Thank you. Thank you.